Hey there, Keller Williams agents. It's John, your technology director. A lot of you have been asking me um, how to make labels. I'm going to show you how to make labels, assuming that you put your contacts in an Excel spreadsheet and you have Microsoft Word. We can do a mail merge and actually create labels and or letters, etc., etc. But I'm going to actually show you guys how to make labels first. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Word. So we're just going to go and open up Word. There's a mail merge tool in Word. Even the older versions of Word have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Mailings, and I'm going to start Mail Merge. Now in my version of Word, I have a step-by-step mail merge wizard. So I'm actually going to show you what that looks like first, and then we'll go from there. But I'm going to go step by step. So first thing is I'm going to go and choose labels here on the right hand side. See over here, it'll ask me what type of document I want to do. If I wanted to write a letter and do like 50 or 60 different contacts, I would choose letters instead of labels. It would change the who you're writing a letter to for you. So let's get back to labels. I'm going to choose labels, and then at the very bottom of the page here, I'm going to hit next. Alright, so I've got label options next, so I'm going to go in and choose the type of labels that I want to print out for my envelopes. I use the Avery 5180s, I believe, so let's go in there and choose those. You can choose whichever type of labels you have. That's nice. I don't know why my computer's so doggone slow. Alright, so 5160, these are the labels that I'm going to choose. So I'm going to actually hit OK. And now I've chosen the type of labels. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the recipients. Who do I want on these labels? So here I go. It's going to ask me, do I want to select from my contacts or use an existing list? This is where I was mentioning you want to probably have your contacts inside an Excel spreadsheet for this. So I'm going to use an existing list. I'm going to browse for my list of contacts that I want to put on these labels. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my documents, which is I believe where I stored it. You can store it anywhere, but just make sure you know where it's at. Alright, so I've got a spreadsheet right here called Contact Labels. I selected it. I'm going to select Sheet 1. And I'm going to hit OK. So if you have, typically when you do your spreadsheet, you might have an extra line in between your headings. See up here, you've got, on your spreadsheet, you probably have headings called last name, first name, address, city, state, zip code. I don't want them to import the blank line, so I'm going to uncheck that. So just so you know, if there's a name in this blank, then check it. But if there's not, uncheck it. You can also sort this alphabetically, since I have an example spreadsheet here with all my name in it. I'm not going to sort it, but you can sort it alphabetically by hitting this A to Z sort button. So I'm going to hit OK. So now it's got a layout here of all the records. So what I'm going to do is arrange my labels. I'm going to hit Arrange. I want the address block to be what's going to be populated out there. It'll give you a kind of example of what it will look like. You can choose different formats, Mr. and Mrs., but I'm just going to choose the name, and then I'm going to hit OK. After I hit OK, you'll see an address block in the very first record. What you do is you go over here and hit Update All Labels. I'm going to update all the labels. Now I have an address block in every single field. The next box I'm going to check is Preview. I hit Preview, and looky, I've got a whole page of contacts. It could be multiple pages, but what it does, it'll fill out the first page, then I complete the merge. So what I do here is I hit Complete the Merge. Once it's completed, it's automatically put in, page after page. You hit Print, and you print all your records, or you can just print records 1 through 10. But if you do print all, it's going to basically go to the printer and print your list of labels. So, to refresh ourselves, I'm going to do this really quick. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to go ahead and close. I'm going to close Word. Alright, we're going to go back in this. I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to go into Word. And I want to do a mail merge, a mailing. In one of your versions of Word, there's a toolbar up here. It's called Tools. And then you'll have down there Mail Merge. That's where you'll select it. So here's Mail. I'm going to start a mail merge. I'm going to actually do it this way. Labels. Alright. And it's going to ask me to select my recipients once it's woke up. I have no idea why my computer is so slow today. It must be because I was at the office today. And I picked up whatever's floating around there. Alright, so I'm going to use these labels. Next thing I'm going to do is select my recipients from an existing list. And it's going to open up my documents. And I'm going to go and choose the same file that I chose before. Contact labels. And I'm going to use sheet 1. Just like before, the wizard guide goes through this. I'm going to use address block here. So it inserts the address block. I'm going to update all the labels. And then I'm going to preview results. What I didn't do is when I didn't delete that first line that didn't have a contact information, so that's why that is blank. So that is done. I can print this document, and again, that's how you make labels using Excel and Word. I'm going to go through the wizard one more time because some of you guys will have the wizard. So I'm going to do it really fast, and since it's on video, you can rewind this. So mailings, mail merge, wizard, labels, next, label options, come on, let's go. Computer's so slow today. This is crazy. Anyway, label options are going to come up here. I'm going to choose the 5160 PL address labels. I'm going to go to next. I'm going to select my recipients from an existing list. And I'm going to go to documents. Hope this isn't boring you, but a lot of you wanted the labels and how to do it, so that's why I'm doing this. And sorry if it's monotonous. Alright, here's that one box that I didn't uncheck last time. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit Arrange. I want the address block. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to update all the labels. I'm going to preview the labels. And there they are. Next button, I just click the merge, print all the records, and away it will go to the printer. So just make sure you put your labels in however they need to be put in depending on where you're printing. So that's it for John's How Do I Make Labels class. I hope that I was able to answer a few of your questions. Alright, so hope you guys are having a good evening. As you can see, it's 8 o'clock at night here, and I'm working. So anyway, God bless, and we'll see you later. Bye.